Hello, today I will introduce our 1 megawatt and 1 megawatt hour energy storage system for you. Now the container in the testing and commission. And this container is a 40 feet container. And we divide the container into two rooms. And this room is equipment room for the inverter, for the just the AC cabinet. And another room is for the battery. So let's go into the. So we can check here, and for the 1 megawatt, we are using two pieces 500 inverter, and each one 500. And now it's parallel to working. Okay, we just check the inverter. Okay, now it's working here, and the AC voltage is 400, and the load grid, PV, and the battery, non-battery 25%. And we can also check here, and the number 1 inverter, and this one is number 2 inverter, So it's parallel working. Let's open the door. Okay, we can check here. And on the top of the inverter here is the communication for the parallel communication. Yeah, parallel connection. And here is connection between the inverter with the battery clusters. This is pretty clear, yeah. Okay, and on the bottom is DC cable, and here is AC cable for the load for the grid hour. Because we are using two pieces of 500 kilowatt pieces to parallel to 1 megawatt, so in order to just reduce the cable connection and for more convenient for customer, so we are equipped this AC cabinet for customer. Yeah, so 2 lines from the PCS to the cabinet, and 1 line to the customer's load, so the connection will be much easier. Yeah. And look here, and these two is the battery DC cabinet, and for the connection between the battery clusters and to the PCS. And here is also 4-piece MPPT controller, and each one is 250, and 4 pieces are up to 1 megawatt PV connections. Okay, let's see our battery room. And in this battery room, we have just 6 pieces of battery cluster, and each battery cluster is 172 kilowatt hour. So let's check here. 1, 2, 3, and also the air conditioner in the door. You can see more details about battery clusters. And in the battery cluster, we have 12 pieces battery module, and 1 high voltage control box. Okay. We can check more details on the battery high voltage control box, and there is SOC and 25%, and the voltage 634 volt, and current, and this is battery temperature. Yeah, and this is time. We check more details here, and we can see each battery cells temperature, voltage. Okay. And it's handling temperature, so relay status, running status. It's very detailed. And we also have the Wi-Fi connection, so you can also check your battery status on your phone application. Yeah, and this is communication terminal, and the terminal for the communication for each battery classes, and communication between each battery module, and the power line for the battery modules, and this is power line, output power line to the battery cabinet. And this is another 2 air conditioner. So you know when battery working, it's very hot. You are very hot in the battery room. So we need 4 pieces in air conditioner to cooling the battery room. Okay, in the front of the container we have 3 pieces of battery clusters, And in the back of room, we have another 3 battery classes. Yeah, so but the capacity is the same. All is 572, and all the same. Yeah. So that's the one. That's the air conditioner. So total 4 place air conditioner in this battery house. And you can see from here. Yeah. This is output communication cable. This cable, which is from battery classes to the inverter, and it's battery line from the base to the bottom of the inverter. Okay, this is exhausting system of the container. You can see from here, and the fans to just dry the hot air from inside the container to outside the container. It's very big power, and it's the fan output of the inverter. Yeah. And we'll also check here, and all the breakers for the small equipments like the CCTV from the connection, like the light, like the sensor. Let's see over here. Okay, that's all. And we'll have more videos and more photos when the projects were loading in the installation seat. Thank you and bye.